Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Capitec app crashing issue. If the Capitec application is crashing on your device, then you can try the following troubleshooting steps. The first thing you'll need to do is to go ahead and update your Capitec application. Visit your Google Play Store or your App Store and then type in Capitec into the search box. Once you look for this application, make sure that you update to the app if the update option is available. Once you've updated your application, the next thing you want to do is to check for software updates. Go ahead and tap Open Settings app from your app drawer and go through the software update option. Tap on the general option and tap on software update and check if there is any updates available for your device. If there is, you will be able to see this interface. Tap on the download and install button from this page in order to download and install the latest operating system. Once you've updated your device, you can now go ahead and tap open the Capitec application and see if that makes any kind of a difference. But if you still have problem with it, the next thing to do is to check for device's storage. Your application might crash out if you don't have sufficient storage space available on your device. Go ahead and delete some of your application you no longer need and try clearing out some of your spaces. Now once you've done so, open the Capitec application and try logging in to see if that fixes the issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through Capitec application crashing on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.